In this video, we will show you how to assemble your 40-volt, twin-force, dual-blade lawnmower. Be advised, your lawnmower may look slightly different than the model used in this video. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. We recommend moving the box with a second person to prevent accidental injury or damage to the product. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any packing material and loose, unassembled parts. Carefully lift the lawnmower out of the box and set it down. Cut the zip ties holding the handles together. The upper handle is attached to the unit by a wire. When setting aside, be careful not to damage this wire. Remove any remaining packaging. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Secure the lower handle. Ensure the lower cam locks are disengaged and lift the lower handle into position. Make sure both ends are seated properly. The cam locks may need to be loosened or tightened in order to engage properly. Check the resistance and adjust as needed. Install the upper handle. Remove the pre-installed cam locks and knobs. Align the holes in the upper handle and lower handles. Insert the cam lock bolts through the holes and tighten the knobs on each side. Secure the cables to the handle using the clips. Battery and charger. If you have a tool-only or corded lawnmower, you have completed assembly. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. To learn more about your unit, including assembly, operation, and maintenance, visit the GREENWORKS Tools YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS lawnmower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.